All right, top government sources are telling CNN News 18 that Foreign Secretary is likely to brief a parliamentary panel on the update in Bangladesh. This will happen on 11th of December is what we are learning, and on 4th of December the panel will be briefed on the situation of India, Canada and the United States relations. Remember, these are two burgeoning diplomatic issues for New Delhi at the moment. Let's quickly go across to Payal Mehta, who's bringing us those breaking inputs. Payal, what are you learning and what can we expect now after that briefing, the role that India is playing, especially in Bangladesh?
Well, of course, this committee is being led by former External Affairs Minister Mr. Shashi Tharoor. The committee has decided that they will be discussing the issues concerning India's neighborhood and, of course, the other nations that India needs to explore other possibilities in terms of explaining their relationship with as well. And that is something which is going to happen. But very importantly, whatever will be briefed to the committee by the Foreign Secretary will just be for their own knowledge, will be for their knowledge. It will not become a part of any report. So that's something which is very, very important. In the past also, we saw them discuss the Israel war situation, but a report was not submitted before Parliament. And Dr. Shashi Tharoor was very, very categorical in telling all the MPs to keep the facts to themselves, because these are external issues that can actually impact India as a nation as well. So that's the reason the parliamentary panel will be briefed, but no report will be submitted. So obviously the Foreign Secretary on next Wednesday will come and brief the panel on the India, US and Canada relationship, and most importantly after that on the India-Bangladesh relationship on this 11th of December, Akansha.
All right. Many thanks to you, Payal, for bringing us those quick inputs. We'll, of course, be awaiting what comes out of that briefing on 11th of December.